In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet an infinity scarf. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm so excited to share with you how I made this crochet infinity scarf for Jasmine for Christmas. Let's jump right in. For this project, I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver yarn. This yarn is a medium weighted yarn and the recommended hook size is a size I crochet hook. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide my yarn out of the way. My crochet hook, I've already went ahead and put my slip knot onto my hook and I'm going to begin chaining. Now, the project that I created for Jasmine, I chained 350 chains. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a piece of the project and only chain 20. Okay, when you have chained your desired number of chains, you're going to smooth out all of your chains to make sure that it is flat and they're all going the same way. Once you've done that, you're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to slide it into your beginning chain all the way at the end. Once you've done that, you're going to have 2 loops onto your crochet hook. Yarn over and you're going to pull through both loops to connect your chains to create the infinity circle. For this project, you will be using the double crochet stitch. To start that for this project, you will need to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Chaining up 3 gives you the height that you need for a double crochet. Now we're going to double crochet in each chain that follows. Let's get started. Once you have done your last chain, you're going to go ahead and slip stitch into your beginning chain. Put your hook through, pull through, And now you have your first row complete. Let's move on to row number 2. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat the same process. Double crochet in each one of the stitches, and I will meet you at the end. All right, now we're going to slip stitch to the top of your beginning chain. Row 2 is now complete. For the project for Jasmine, I crocheted a total of 10 rows. You can crochet as many rows as you desire. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.